I'm Jada. I design learning experiences grounded in research, shaped by curiosity, and built for real-world performance. In this project, I designed foundations of inclusive online instruction to address a common gap in corporate learning. How do we make inclusive design practical, actionable, and scalable for busy professionals? To solve this, I structured the course using ADDIE and backward design and mapped the full experience through early storyboarding to ensure alignment across modules. The course is organized into accessibility, ethics, and assessment, reflecting real L&D workflows. Accessibility comes first, where learners move from awareness to hands-on remediation using real standards and tools. Next, learners explore AI ethics, building judgment around data privacy, bias, and responsible tool use before applying AI in their work. The final module integrates everything. Learners design an AI-supported assessment aligned to higher levels of performance, informed by LTEM, and apply their work through peer review. Peer interaction is intentionally designed using community of inquiry principles to support reflection, dialogue, and collaborative learning. This project demonstrates my approach to designing inclusive, performance-centered learning experiences grounded in real-world practice. Thanks for taking a look. I designed for clarity, inclusion, and impact beyond the LMS. If that's the kind of learning you're building, let's connect.